Guys, this is Tejeshwar Reddy. Welcome to our channel. Failure is the highway to success. Tom Watson sir said that if you want to succeed, double your failure rate. If you study history, if you will find that all stories of success are also stories of great failures. But people don't see the failures. They only see one side of the picture and they say that person got lucky. He must have been at the right place at the right time. Let me share someone's life history with you. This was a man who failed in business at the age of 21. Was defected in a legislative race at age 22. Failed again in business at age 24. Overcame the death of his sweetheart at age 26. Had a nervous breakdown at age 27. Lost a congressional race at age 34. Lost a senatorial race at age 45. Failed in an effort of become vice president of age 47. Lost senatorial race at age 49 and was elected president of the United States of age 52. This man was Abraham Lincoln. Would you call him a failure? No. He could have quit, but to Lincoln, defeat was a detour and not a dead end. In 1913, Lee De Forest, inventor of the Troyes tube, was changed by the district attorney and using fundamental trick means to mislead the public into basing stocks of his company by claiming that he could transmitting the human voice across the Atlantic. He was publicly humiliated. Can you imagine where we would be without his invention? A New York Times editorial on December 10, 1903 questioned the wisdom of the Wright brothers, who were trying to invent a machine heavier than air that would fly. 1 week later, at Kitty Hawk, the Wright brothers took their famous flight. Colonel Sanders, at age 65, with a beat-up car and $100 check from Social Security, realized he had to do something. He remembered his mother's recipe and went out selling. How many doors did he have to knock on before he got his first order? It is estimated that he had knocked on more than 1,000 doors before he got his first order. How many of us quit after 3 tries, then tries, and 100 tries? And then we say we tried as hard as we could. As a young cartoonist, Walt Disney faced many rejections from newspaper editors who said he had no talent. One day, a minister at a church hired him to draw some cartoons. Disney was working out of small mouse infested shed near the church. After seeing a small mouse, he was inspired. That was the start of Mickey Mouse. Now it is the top rated cartoon in the world. Successful people don't do great things. They only do small things in a great way. One day, a practically deaf 4-year-old kid come home with a note in his pocket from his teacher. Your Tommy is too stupid to learn. Get him out of the school. His mother read the note and answered, my Tommy is not just stupid to learn. I will teach him myself. And the Tommy grew up to be the great Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison had only 3 months of formal schooling and has partially deaf. Henry Ford forgot to put the reverse gear in the first car he made. They succeeded in spite of problems, not in the absence of them. But to the outside world, it appears as though they just got lucky. All success stories are stories of great failures. The only difference is that every time they failed. they bounce back. This is called failing forward. Rather than backward, you learn and move forward. Learn from your failure and keep moving. In 1914, Thomas Edison, at age 67, lost his factory, which was worth of a few $1,000,000, to fire. I had very little insurance. No longer a younger man, Edison watched his life, time effort go up in smoke and said, "There is great value in disaster. All our mistakes are burnt up. Thank God, we can start anew in spite of disaster." 3 weeks later, he invented the photograph. What an attitude! What an attitude! Thomas Edison failed approximately 10,000 times while he was working on the light bulb. Henry Ford was broke at the age of 40. Young Beethoven was told that he had no talent for music, but he gave some of the best music of the world. Setbacks are inevitable in life. A setback can act as a driving force and also teach us humility. In grief, you will find courage and faith to overcome this setback. We needed to learn to become victors, not victims. Fear and doubt should suffocate the mind. Ask yourself after every setback, what did I learn from this experience? Only then will you be able to turn a stumbling block into a stepping stone. Every failure is a step to success. Create your passion to become a great person. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.